In this video, let's talk about how to use Bank of America rewards checking. Now, in order to use this feature, you'll need to first of all enroll into the preferred rewards program. This allows the benefits unlock automatically as your combined balances grow within your account. Now, in order to use this feature, you'll need to meet a few requirements, such as you'll get different tiers such as gold, premium, or platinum, depending upon the balance that you have. So the lowest tier, which is gold tier, is you need to have at least $20,000 in your bank account, which unlocks the 25% credit. So once you meet your requirements, second thing that you need to do is enroll and activate your account. So simply head over to the menu on the top left, head over to the preferred rewards option where you'll be able to see the option being displayed. You simply need to click on the enrollment link and then submit your activation request. Once you've done that, as you said, you do not need to do manually anything. Depending upon your tier, you should be able to get these benefits within your account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.